But when I witnessed last time, and today I had an opportunity to visit Hyderabad city for the forthcoming election, by-elections, to attend this Koti Deepotsavam and witness this beautifully organized and meticulously organized this cultural event, which I can say with entire responsibility that one of the finest cultural events of our country. I pay my regards to the entire team of Bhakti TV and NTV behind this grand show, which connects all of us with our cultural roots, traditions and practices. I feel happy to be here on the 15th Koti Deepotsavam, and it's our Indian tradition which Bhakti TV is carrying by enlightening the life of the people who are still putting up in the dark. In our country, there used to be a practice, and we used to light diyas not only in our house, not only in our homes, not only in our places of worship or puja greh, but also to enlighten the diya, to enlighten the life of the people. His leadership, he is enlightening the life of millions and millions of Indians who were deprived for last many centuries or decades. And on the other hand, when our country, on this auspicious time when it is undergoing era of transformation, and simultaneously, this is a time when our country's long culture, it is also undergoing era of cultural renaissance. ये सांस्कृतिक पुनर्जागरण का कालखंड है, and in this सांस्कृतिक पुनर्जागरण के समय में the way Bhakti TV is organizing this Koti Deepotsav, it's really commendable. Its appreciations, I run short of the words for my appreciations for this wonderfully curated and crafted program. I appreciate Bhakti TV and its management headed by Shriman Tumala Narendra Chaudhary ji and entire team, and Srimati Rama Devi ji for organizing this deep yajna in this beautiful manner. I have heard that Bhakti TV channel is #1 devotional channel in India now, which is being witnessed by millions of the people all across the country. I heartily congratulate the NTV and Bhakti TV channel for achieving this grand success. Our Sanatan Dharma, which is being practiced and protected in whatever way, whatever possible way in our daily life, Sanatan Dharma drives our lives irrespective of caste and creed. In our preachings of Sanatan Dharma, we have been taught by our Vedas, by our Upanishads, our Gurus, our Rishis, Munis, that this life is not only life for our own enrichment or punishment, it is a life which is to enrich entire society. Parishkar, Vishwa ke Kalyan ke liye Parishkar. This is our practice and this is our philosophy. And I feel that this practice and philosophy has been practiced here in this my mind when I came here. The beautiful depiction of the gods and goddesses, the way they have crafted. I was thinking that I have come and I have arrived in Kashi Vishwanath Mandir. I am happy to watch the pujas, the vratam, and the Kalyanotsav conducted here. My pranams to Swamijis who are attending this Deepotsavam today and blessing all of us. I appreciate all of you also, because without you people who have attended, you are attending this program and you must have come from various places, from different places. Without your presence, it could have never been successful. I appreciate all of you, the people of Hyderabad and the entire team of Bhakti TV for continuing this legacy and enriching our cultural practices. Dear friends, this is a time when our country is undergoing era of transformation, and that transformation